in the grilling pan. As I said, there's another way of doing it. You saute it. You can also put red chili, the small ones, if you want more. Hi, welcome back to Ace Kitchen. In today's video, I'll show you how I cook pork belly and kimchi jjigae or kimchi stew. There are several ways to cook pork barbecue, but the way I do it, I marinate the pork belly in soy sauce and calamansi. And sometimes you can put garlic and then you just marinate it for overnight or maybe at least 3 to 4 hours. And then you just cook it in the grilling pan like this without oil. You don't need to time it, you just need to take a look at it and then just make sure that you flip it and turn it on the other side once it's cooked, and wait until the oil comes out. Here I think it's you can see that it's already cooked. It takes about roughly 10 to 15 minutes to cook, to fully cook each side. I think once you cook the other side, the other side only takes around 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, because it's easier to cook it. So here you can see it's fully cooked, so you can take it out of the grilling of the pan, and you can start serving it. Now we're done with the pork belly. I'll show you how I cook kimchi jjigae. This is an old way of cooking, my old way of cooking kimchi jjigae. I have a different way now. I saute it, but now you can see that the ingredients are the same. It's spring onion, garlic, onion, gochugaru or Korean chili flakes, gochujang or the Korean chili paste, green chili, kimchi, of course, pork, sliced pork, tofu, and enoki mushroom. So in this method, you will just need to put them together. Put the pork. I used pork belly here, just one slice. You don't need to put a lot. Actually, you can also opt not to put one. And of course, kimchi, I chopped it. You can put more kimchi if you like. And then the garlic and the onion. As I said, there's another way of doing it. You saute it in the usual method of sauteing it through garlic and then onion and then pork. That's what I do now, but in this video I cooked it in this way, where I just put them together. I think for others this is easier because you don't need to saute it. After the onion, I put the chili paste. I used around 2 tablespoons of chili paste, and for the Korean chili flakes I used about 1 tablespoon. You can put more depending on your preference of spiciness. And then you can put water. You can just eyeball the water depending on how much water you want. I think I used about 3 cups in this video. Then as in when you need more, you just put and add more. So you just mix it together, and you have to let it boil because you need to make the pork belly tender. So just mix it together, and if you need to add more kimchi sauce or the chili paste, then you just do that. Then you just let it boil. I think it takes around 15 minutes for you to check, but if your pork belly is not yet cooked, then don't put your tofu yet. Once it's cooked, you can put your tofu, because tofu is very easy to cook. And then you just cover it and let it simmer again. Once it's simmering, you can put the enoki mushrooms and the green chili. You can also put red chili, the small ones, if you want more, if you want it to be spicier. But again, it all depends on your preference. Another version also, you can put japchae, but I didn't put here. So, and the last ingredient will be the spring onion as a garnish, and it also brings a different flavor to your kimchi stew. So you let it simmer, and I think in about less than 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it's fully cooked. And again, you just need to make sure that your pork belly is already tender, and you can see that it's really best served hot, and it matches the pork belly perfectly. This is, you know how people like samgyeopsal and then kimchi stew. So sometimes we don't have time to do samgyeopsal at home, like prepare all those slices and then cook it. So this is how I do it at home at times. So now we're ready to eat, and it comes perfect as well with rice. Thank you for watching. Till my next video.